Hello everyone, welcome to my series on cloud computing, and today's topic is AWS management control. So in the last video we saw that there are different cloud computing service providers, and AWS is one of the top 5 leading service providers. We also saw in brief that AWS provides a lot of services, different categories of services, around 160, close to 160 services on its console. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sign up. So like we discussed in the last session, many services under AWS are provided for free for a period of 12 months. There are some services which are free throughout, and there are some services which we can use on a trial basis. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our free account sign up for AWS to create a account, and we're going to jump onto the management console and we're going to explore the different features. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are at the Amazon AWS dashboard. We start by clicking on create an AWS account. Now we have to provide an email address and we have to create a password for us. I just provide an email address. Could use my Gmail ID. Confirm the password. And now you have to provide a AWS account name. This is something you can update later once you sign up. Click on continue and we enter the CAPTCHA. And now you need to select contact information. Just go with personal on the plan and enter your full name, phone number, your country, address, city, etc. Click on the checkbox and continue to next step. This is where you need to enter your payment information. So they are not going to charge because we have chosen a free plan, but this is just for the initial verification. So you can enter the details over here and you can just proceed to completing the sign up process. Okay, so now you're done. You can click on go to management console and then you can click on sign in to the console. So once you do that, your login page appears and you log in as your root user email address. So just put the email address. Click next, enter the CAPTCHA and click submit. And this is where you enter the password that we created during sign up. Now this is taking us to the management console for our Amazon AWS dashboard. Now this is what it looks like. You have multiple features all around. You have the services button over here that shows the entire list of services categorized by different categories. You have storage over here, compute. You can see the entire list of services here as well. You can see wizards or guides to simple projects like launching a virtual machine, building a web app, like things like that. This is for the Cloud Shell interface. We'll talk about that later on in further videos. We have a notifications icon over here that shows the list of notifications, open issues, and scheduled changes. We have a profile management tab over here that lets us manage our profile, billing details, security credentials, etc. We have a location tab over here that shows the location for our resources. So this is how the management console looks like. You have features everywhere. There's an explore AWS section where You can see topics which may be different for your login, might be different for my login, but you can see different topics here. You can explore those topics. In the next video, we're going to talk about creating small projects within the management console. If you face any issues during login, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.